Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best positive note cards is probably one of the most versatile and impactful tools you can add to your daily routine, offering a simple yet profound way to uplift yourself and others. These beautifully designed cards are more than just paper. They are vessels of encouragement, designed to spread positivity, foster gratitude, and remind us of the good in our lives and the world around us. Whether you're looking to brighten someone's day, practice self-affirmation, or simply inject a dose of happiness into your environment, these cards serve as a constant, gentle nudge towards a more optimistic outlook, making them an indispensable item for anyone seeking a little extra joy and mindfulness. Number 5. Dessie Motivational Cards. Brighten someone's day with our set of 63 unique mini motivational cards. Each one features an uplifting message in a colorful design, perfect for a quick pick-me-up. Crafted from high-quality card stock, these cards feel just like a premium business card. The front is glossy and vibrant, while the back is matte, leaving space for your personal message. Their convenient business card size makes them easy to carry in your wallet or purse. Share a little bit of positivity wherever you go, or keep it for yourself for on-the-go encouragement. These cards are perfect for so many occasions. Use them in letters, as employee appreciation notes, lunchbox surprises, or even in party favor bags. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Our mini motivational cards come in a beautiful keepsake box, making them an ideal present for any occasion. We're so confident you'll love them, we offer a lifetime warranty. If you're not happy, simply return them for a full refund, no questions asked. What we like? These are business card-sized cards with 63 unique messages. If you are looking for a versatile way to spread positivity on the go, these are a great choice. They are perfect for slipping into lunch boxes, adding to gifts, or keeping in your wallet for a personal pick-me-up. What people say. The cards are made of good quality paper and are blank inside, allowing for personalized messages. The designs on the cards are beautiful and varied, suitable for many occasions. They come with matching envelopes, which is a convenient feature. Number 4. DIVERSEBEE 50-pack Assorted Inspirational Cards. Show anyone how much you care with these fun and colorful kindness cards. They are perfect for loved ones, friends, and coworkers. Spread love, positivity, and encouragement with 50 unique quotes. These cards offer a personal and practical way to share joy. It's easy to share kindness and positivity. Simply write a personalized note on the blank back, as every kind word makes a difference. These cards are designed for excellent durability and are business card size. They are easy to carry in a wallet, purse, or pocket. We stand behind our products. If you are not completely satisfied with your purchase, please contact us for a resolution. What we like? This set features 50 assorted chalkboard-style cards with unique quotes. If you want to add a fun and colorful touch to your messages of encouragement, these are ideal. They are perfect for showing appreciation to loved ones, friends, or coworkers. What people say. The cards are made of thick, high-quality cardstock. The designs are beautiful and elegant, perfect for any occasion. They come with matching envelopes that fit perfectly. Number 3. Dessie 100 Unique Birthday Cards Assortment. Introducing our boxed set of 100 different birthday cards. You'll have a unique card for everyone on your list, saving you time and hassle for the entire year. With a wide variety of designs and messages, you can easily find the perfect card for family, friends, or colleagues. No more last-minute store runs. Each card comes with a pre-written birthday greeting inside, perfect for general use. There's also ample space for you to add your own personal touch. Make your card stand out with our included white and colored envelopes. We've even added gold sealing stickers for an extra special touch. This set includes a perpetual birthday and events calendar. Keep track of all important dates year after year, so you always remember to show you care. Crafted from thick, heavy-duty matte cardstock, our cards and envelopes offer a superior feel. Make a statement about your thoughtfulness and care. What we like? This is a large assortment of 100 unique birthday cards, complete with greetings inside and envelopes. If you want to be prepared for every birthday for the entire year, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for individuals or businesses who want to save time and ensure they never miss a birthday. What people say. The cards are made of thick cardstock, which feels very durable and high quality. The design is simple yet elegant, with a nice matte finish that doesn't show fingerprints. They are the perfect size for a short note, and the envelopes fit snugly. Number 2. Mr. Pen Inspirational Chalkboard Cards. Discover a set of 60 unique cards designed to uplift and motivate. Each card features inspiring quotes and positive affirmations. Crafted from high-quality material, these cards are built to last. They feel substantial and durable in your hand. Perfect for a variety of occasions, they're ideal for sending greetings or adding a personal touch to any message. These cards are conveniently sized at 3.5 by 1.9 inches, similar to business cards. The back is left blank for your personal notes. With a blank back, you have plenty of space to write your own messages. Let your creativity flow and personalize each card. Share kindness and motivation with these beautifully designed cards. They are a wonderful way to brighten someone's day. What we like. This pack contains 60 cards focused on positive affirmations and kindness themes. If you are looking for a simple yet impactful way to uplift someone, these are a great option. They are perfect for cheering up students, employees, or anyone needing a little extra encouragement. What people say. These cards are blank inside, allowing for personalized messages. The cardstock is thick and sturdy, giving a premium feel. The designs are elegant and suitable for various occasions. Number 1. Mr. Pen Motivational Cards. Introducing our set of 60 motivational cards, each featuring a unique and inspiring quote. These cards are designed to uplift and encourage. Crafted from good quality paper, these cards are built to last and are resistant to tearing. You can rely on their durability. Measuring 1.9 by 3.5 inches, they are conveniently sized to fit in your wallet, purse, or pocket. Take inspiration with you wherever you go. Each card is filled with positive messages and inspirational quotes. They are perfect for brightening someone's day and bringing a smile to their face. These make a wonderful gift for graduates, students, employees, teachers, or anyone needing a little cheer. Share kindness and encouragement with these thoughtful notes. What we like. You get 60 motivational cards with unique quotes, made from good quality paper. If you want to easily carry inspirational messages with you and share them with others, these are a fantastic choice. They are perfect for gifting to graduates, teachers, or anyone who could use a dose of motivation. What people say. The cards are a good size and have a nice feel to them. The design is simple yet elegant, and the messages are uplifting. They are perfect for sending a quick note of encouragement or appreciation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.